You have reached the Fitness Q YouTube channel for NPC promoter in the Carolinas, Quincy Roberts, and former IFBB pro. On this channel, we cover all things fitness and bodybuilding. And today's question got emailed from subscriber. I'm just getting off the couch and I want to know what is going to be a great diet for me to do to start to lose some body fat. Quincy Roberts is going to field the question. And if you have questions, email us, subscribe to this channel, and let us know how Quincy Roberts and all his 40 years of experience in the business can help you.
If you're on the couch, gained a lot of weight, you want to get fit, you want to lose some weight, you've gained 30, 40 pounds over the last 40 years, you decided you want to lose some weight, first thing you need to do is start planning. You need to start planning how many meals you're going to do, what you're going to eat each time, not trying to wing it. Know what you're going to eat, set a plan, keep your calories. If you're a male, within no more than 2,000 calories a day. If you're female, no more than 1,500 calories a day. Do that consistently, you will lose weight. The type of foods, try not to be going to what I call junk foods, restaurants that sell this quick fix. Try to start preparing your own meals or go to a sit-down meal and get sensible foods like chicken breast. Even if you're eating steak, try not to season it, try not to stay away from condiments. And again, make sure you stay with the right quantity to stay within your calorie range. To learn more, subscribe to my channel. Look at the link and go to my website. You can contact me if you have any questions, would like to meet with me, set up an appointment. We can actually design a diet and another fitness plan for you to be doing.